Delving into character's mind. Point of view in creative writing. Hello there, fellow writers and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: understanding characters through point of view. By the end of this video, you'll grasp how point of view can profoundly shape our perception of a character. In literature, point of view, POV, refers to the lens or perspective from which a story is told. Imagine wearing different colored glasses. Each shade offers a unique view of the world. Similarly, different POVs provide readers various insights into a story and its characters. 1. First-person POV, written from the I perspective. This intimate POV allows readers to step directly into the shoes of the main character, feeling their emotions and understanding their thoughts. For example, I felt a chill down my spine as I walked down the corridor. From this, we can directly gauge the character's emotions. 2. Second-person POV, a rarer POV, written from the you perspective. This directly addresses the reader, placing them in the story. You enter the room and see a mysterious box on the table. Through this, characters can be shaped by making the reader an active participant. 3. Third-person limited. Here, the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of one character. It's like hovering over one person's shoulder, privy to their inner world. Sarah watched the sun set, regret weighing on her heart. We gain insight into Sarah's emotions but remain external to others. 4. Third-person omniscient. The all-knowing narrator. They understand the thoughts, feelings, and backgrounds of all characters, painting a holistic view. John wanted to apologize, while Mary wished he'd just leave. This presents a broader understanding of all characters involved. 1. Deepens emotional connection. First-person POV, for instance, can make readers feel directly connected to the character's emotions and struggles. 2. Creates mystery. By using a limited POV, you can keep some character motives hidden, unveiling them at pivotal moments. 3. Highlights relationships. By switching POVs, you can showcase how different characters perceive one another. 4. Shapes readers' perceptions. The chosen POV can manipulate how readers feel about characters, either drawing them closer or pushing them away. 1. Stay consistent. Once you choose a POV, be consistent. Avoid head-hopping, which can confuse readers. 2. Practice with different POVs. Write a scene from multiple viewpoints to determine which feels right. 3. Consider your story's needs. Some tales are better suited for a particular POV. Think about what serves your narrative best. So, there you have it. The wonders of POV and how it shapes our understanding of characters. Remember, the right perspective can make your characters come alive and resonate deeply with readers. Happy writing, and here's hoping this video enriched your creative journey.